Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Isaac. Today we are reviewing what did I pick up? I picked up some Katy Perry X Covergirl products, and I saw this Katy Cat palette. It's like this limited edition Katy Cat palette in her collection that she came out with. And well, she released this like a year ago, but she also came out with these Katy Cat glosses. And I noticed that this came in a dual package, and it came with a little glitter right here on the side, a Katy Cat glitter. So I'm going to be trying out her Katy Cat glitter, her Katy Cat gloss today, and this limited edition Katy Cat palette. I'm pretty sure these both are limited edition products, so I don't know if they're going to be in store all the time. And I just saw this at my Shoppers Drug Mart, so I was just like, girl, I'm picking these up. I don't know if you can get these at Ulta or Walgreens or whatever. I'm in Canada, so I just saw this in my Shoppers in Canada, and I don't know if you can find this in the US. I tried to like look all over the websites trying to find this palette on the Covergirl website, and I couldn't find this. So this is the Hot Cat Katy Cat palette, and it's a limited edition eyeshadow palette created by Covergirl and Katy Perry. 10 shades created for Katy's different looks, natural and dramatic. I don't know if this is sold in the USA. Let me know if it is, because I would love to know that. So yeah, you get a lot of shades in here, and I know Covergirl's been really stepping up their eyeshadow formula lately, and I was swatching these two shades right here, and this shade's gorgeous for like a highlighter. It's super buttery, super like picks up really nicely, and it's a super affordable palette. This only costed me $14.99 in Canada, so it should be around $10 in the US. Not bad at all, you guys. I really dig this palette, so we're gonna play with that today. And I also picked up her eyeliner, her Katy Cat eyeliner in the shade Kitty Whisper. So I'm gonna be trying out this eyeliner pencil on my waterline today. And I'm also gonna be trying out her Katy Cat mascara. I love CoverGirl mascaras, so I'm really excited to try this. And I love the white packaging, and it's waterproof, so I'm really excited to try this out. And we'll review more of that later. So yeah, and I also picked up her Katy Perry matte lipstick. So is that how you pronounce it? Finks? I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, so I'm going to be trying that out today. So we're going to get right into this, and I'm going to start into the eyeshadow palette. Hot Cat Katy Cat eyeshadow palette. And I really, really am excited to try this. I was swatching this earlier, and it seems really buttery, seems very gorgeous. And here, I'll even like swatch a couple shades. There's no shade names on here, which is a little strange, but that is fine. You get this nice warm taupey brown shade. Do you guys see that swatch? Oh my god, that is pretty. Then you get this nice dark brown right next to it. Bam. And you get, what is this? Almost like this gray kind of brown color. Almost, it looks a little more, it's more of a darker brown. So this one's like more of a taupey brown, that one's more of a darker brown. That one's like a brown with a gray undertone. It's very dark. I don't know if I'll use that shade. And we get this purple shade, running out of fingers. And then you get this purple shade. They're very buttery and soft, and they're very buildable, which I like. So that is all of the shades swatched so far. We also get this other metallic shade. Bam, just like that. And we get this pinky undertone shade right next to it, and they're super soft. Drugstore quality is stepping it up. CoverGirl is definitely stepping it up with their eyeshadows lately. We're gonna try and do an eyeshadow look with this. So let's take an eyeshadow blending brush. I'm taking this on a Morphe tapered brush, and we're just gonna start with this warm taupey brown shade. There is a little bit of follow, but it's not bad. I'm just gonna use that for transition in my crease. I'm just gonna see how this blends. Blending really nicely so far, which I like. Only thing I hate is like how small these little pan sizes are. They're really tiny, and they're like super close together. Just enough space to place your brush in there. Just enough, but I don't know how I'm gonna like get in there without like mixing it into the glitter. So that's just kind of annoying, but it's not a big deal to me. So I'm just gonna dip right in with this flat angled brush, and we're just gonna pick up this dark brown shade. Tap off any excess, and just pack it on. I'm gonna pick up some more of that taupey brown shade on that same tapered brush. Get a Sephora angled brush and just intensifying that brown shade on the outer edge. Just taking a flat brush and some concealer, and we're just going to cut the crease. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far. A Sephora flat brush. I'm licking the end of my brush because I'm disgusting and I don't have any water on me. And we're just gonna take this golden shade right in the middle of that. Ooh, picked up nicely. And we're gonna pack it on the lid. I feel again. We're bringing this back. I'm just taking some Duo eyelash glue and a little bit of it. And I'm just gonna paint some of this eyelash glue. It's in the shade Clear all over my lid, and I'm going to use this to help stick on the glitter. I'm going to take the Katy Cat glitter in the shade, I don't even know what shade, it's like this golden reflex color. I'm just going to take some on my brush. Now that my face is bathing in glitter, I'm crying glitter right now, you guys. This is a glitter disaster. So much glitter. Do you guys see that though? That is fucking gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop on the outer corner. I need to darken up that outer corner. It is not dark enough. So I'm gonna take this black shade right here on my angled Sephora brush, and just gonna hopefully deepen up that outer corner a bit. And just gonna buff that out with a Sephora fluffy brush. And now I need my loose powder. I'll be right back. Quickly make sure you have a good bake underneath your eyes before you do the glitter, because I didn't do that before on this side, and then I had a bunch of follow, and then I had to wipe away a bunch of glitter, and there's still a bunch of glitter underneath my eyes. So I can deal with it because I love glitter anyways, and I would probably rub glitter all over my body. So we're making do with that, but this side doesn't have as much glitter on this side. Like there's like a couple speckles. It's not as bad though. It's like 2 little speckles. The Sephora angled brush, I'm gonna take this black shade right here, take this black shade and pop it halfway through the bottom lash line. Like that. A Sephora fluffy diffuser brush, and we're gonna dip right into that purple shade right here. And we're gonna pop it on the bottom lash line. Because I'm gonna go in with the Katy Cat eyeliner in the shade Whisper. And you guys, I'm really excited to try this out. I've never tried a Covergirl eyeliner out, so this should be really exciting. These are made in Germany, and you get, how much product do you get in here? You get 0.033 ounces of product in here, so that's not bad. It's pretty average. And that's a swatch. It's pretty creamy overall. It's just like a nice light white shade. Tight lining the waterline. Gonna pop on some of her Katy Cat Eye waterproof mascara, and you get 0.35 fluid ounces of product in here, so that's not bad. And I love Covergirl mascaras, so I'm really hoping this should work. And we're just gonna pop this on and see if this is a good mascara. I like the packaging so far. The wand is weird. It's like spirally. Okay. gonna do some fake eyelashes off of camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm just gonna take this first shade in the palette with my Tarte brush very carefully, and I'm gonna use this to highlight. It is blinding, you guys. It's so pretty. Holy shit! The Cat Matte, and I'm gonna take the shade Thinks. It's a really pretty shade. I'm digging it. This is the Katy Cat Gloss in the shade Cantaloupe, and you get 0.12 fluid ounces of product. And this is what she looks like. I'm just gonna pop this on top of the lipstick. And just mix that around a bit. That looked a little janky. Pop this right onto the lips. I don't know. This smells like Play-Doh almost. I like the smell of Play-Doh though, so I'm okay with that. It works. It's like a sweet Play-Doh smell, but it looks pretty on the lips, so I'm not mad. And this, you guys, is the completed look. So let me break down the products and show you guys my final thoughts on the products. So I started with the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette was so good, you guys. This is like the bombest eyeshadow palette I think I've ever used from Covergirl. They're so buttery and so smooth, but the only problem I have is the pan size. Is like, these are so hard to get your brushes digged in here. Like, these are literally the size of like my fingertip. Like, this is so tiny, these little pan sizes. Like, it's so easy to mix up your colors in there. But I think that the two kitty cats are so cute on the front, so I definitely dig that. And the shadows blend like a dream, and they do the job so nicely. So I'm definitely digging CoverGirl shadows. They're so good. The Katy Cat glitter right on top. And this was good. I like this. I definitely love glitter, and this was definitely really cute. They have a red shade too. I saw that came in a bundle pack. And I definitely want to go pick up the red shade. If you're into glitter, just make sure to put setting powder underneath your eye, and if you do glitter on top, if you get any fallout, then you can dust away that glitter underneath like this, going in the good pile. And then we did the eyeliner. This, I don't know, I'm not digging it. It's like a subtle white, and I thought it was going to be a lot more pigmented, and it was really hard to build it up on my eyes. And I definitely didn't like this. I've used creamier eyeliners from the drugstore, and this was not definitely that creamy. So I wouldn't recommend the CoverGirl eyeliner. It's not creamy. It's just, I don't know. It's a little sheer on the hand. Like, I thought it was a little more pigmented, but it's a little more sheer. And once you keep running your eyeliner through, I feel like it just gets more sheer, which is so weird. So it is like a wispy white shade, like I would say, but it's not like a bright white shade, which I like. The NYX faux white eyeliners are just so much more pigmented overall, and they're just a lot more creamier, and they take like one swipe and bam, they're done. And this was like 5 swipes and I still got no coverage, so I did not like this at all. Bye. The Katy Perry Cat Eye Waterproof Mascara, which has 0.35 fluid ounces of product. I definitely like the formula in here. It did the job. It did it really nicely. The wand was just a little weird to work with. Like, I don't know what it is with these spiral wands. I fucking hate these spiral wands. Like, I just cannot stand these, but I made it work. I just hate spiral wands. Like, I just hate spiral wands. I like the formula, though, and it did the job. I just hate spiral wands overall. I prefer the CoverGirl Lash Blast and the blue tube, and I also prefer that, no, the Fusion, the Lash Fusion, which is in that blue tube, and I also prefer the Lash Blast. 10 times the volume Lash Blast or something in that orange bottle. It's so much better, I think, overall. But this was alright. Like, it's not the worst product ever, and you can still make it work. If you're into the spiral ones, you'll definitely like this product. And it made my eyelashes look nice. So, yeah. They're pretty good, I think, overall, actually. The CoverGirl lipstick was pretty good from Katy Cat Matte. I definitely would recommend this. They're very buttery, very easy to use, and I would definitely compare this almost to the Maybelline ones. So I would highly recommend picking these up. And mine was in the shade Finks, so I would check that out. And then the Katy Cat Gloss, I definitely love this. This is really cute. I'm definitely going to be picking up more shades of these, and the packaging is so cute. Like the little cat head on the top, like that is just so adorable. And this is a really pretty shade on my lips. I'm definitely digging it. It feels really comfortable. The smell is a little like Play-Doh-y, but it's not like a gross Play-Doh. Like it's like a sweet Play-Doh smell, and it's like I don't know, I kind of like it. Got a lot of product in here, and the packaging is really cute. I definitely like this. It applied beautifully to the lips. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Katy Cat collection from Covergirl. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I definitely enjoyed filming this review for you guys, and I love you guys all so much. And I hope to see you guys all on my next video. Bye, guys.